Okay, this tutorial we're going to go over how to manage your current products. Since you are watching this because you are a client of ours, then your website came already preloaded with the products that you offer on your e-commerce site. So once again, we're going to go over to our demo site, and it does not matter that these are not your types of products. If you are on Drupal, there are two different types of shopping carts. There is Uber Cart and there is Commerce. Most of you have the Commerce, and I will do a separate tutorial for those on Drupal Uber Cart, but this is for your Commerce stores. Now, like most other things on Drupal, there are several ways that you can go in and view and or edit your products. The first way is if you see a product on your page, and we'll just go ahead and start with this one, you can click on it as long as you're in admin mode. And again, you'll see that you know you're in admin mode when you've logged in. You'll see your products different than your visitors will. When you look at any product, you're going to see these little fields up on top. Just like in a store, when you see a mannequin, that mannequin is the display. The products are usually sitting around the mannequin, and sometimes you have to ask someone to go and get those products. So the same concept happens in a store. Typically, there is a product display for the products you sell, and then you have products below that which will go into your inventory and your stock, which will take care of those reports on another tutorial. But this is going to show you the image that you've chosen for the main product display. There can be several images. I will show you where you can add additional images during this tutorial. You have the physical description of your product, and on this particular product there are several different options. If there are options to your product, they'll have a drop-down box like this one here, and it will give your customers the opportunity to buy the current or an altered variation of that. Those variations could be absolutely different in description and absolutely different in price. So if you want to edit this product, you just simply click Edit. And this is going to take you to the physical product display itself. So here you see what we've titled the product. This is a demo, so we have not yet put in descriptions or keywords. And this is a description of the product, the overall description. If you'll scroll down, you'll see that this particular product, as you saw, has two different product SKUs that are available. You'll see that only in the product display. If you want to delete one of those products, if it's been discontinued and you'll never have it again, here's where you can say this product no longer exists and these are based on SKUs, or you can simply add another product. If you have another SKU that you would like to add to this product display, you simply put a comma here and add the new product display. So that's as simple as that gets right there. You'll also see on this particular field, this is telling the system what category that belongs in, and depending on, again, what your e-commerce store has, we've set up different categories, types, makes, models, brands. We can set up pretty much any type of field so that when your visitors come, they can have different field search settings to look for. Once you've made your changes on that, you can simply hit save. You can also delete the product or preview the product from here. If you've made any changes and not hit save, nothing on this page will change. But let's say that you want to instead, you want to handle the products that are in there and leave the main description alone. You simply come up here and hit products instead of the edit, and this will tell you the separate drop-down products that were in there, the SKUs, the titles, and let's just go in and edit this one. For this one, maybe we've decided that this one we're going to increase the price, change the price, maybe the product SKU changed. Depending on how we've set up your site, maybe you want to put this on sale and tell it what the sale price is. Or maybe they're out of stock on this for 6 months or so. So you don't want to delete it. As you see, you have a status box down here. Maybe you just want to disable it. If you disable it, that means you don't have to delete the product and recreate the product at a later time. But once it's disabled, nobody will be able to see it again. Well, you'll be able to see it. And you can change the title names. Again, it's a demo, so that right now we don't have, I didn't put those in, but you can put the meta title tags in for your products itself and simply come down and save the product. And that's the first way that we can do this. The second way we can do this is going up to the physical store button itself, and in here drop down to products, and you can click to see all of the products in your store. What's nice about this one is you can quick edit. So let's say you were looking at this product and you want to see all the products within this particular display. Again, it's going to show you the SKU number, and let's say you had a main change all across the board on this. You want to change pricing, you want to disable a product, you could also do that from this particular display. So if you want to do a quick edit, you can do that, or completely go in and do the full edit like I just showed you. Now we're going to talk about product variations. So again, product display, that's your mannequin. Here's the products that you have in inventory. So you can also come up to the top right hand corner and click all product variations. And this is where you again can go in and go individually through them. You can do mass edit and cancellations by clicking the boxes here. You can do filter types by all statuses, or maybe you just want to look up transfer cases. You can do a lot in here. If you want to look up by SKU, put your SKU number in here, and it will bring up just this one because you know you want to edit this one. So it makes it as easy as possible for you to go in and control your inventory. The next tutorial, we're going to talk about creating a new product. Hope this helps.